So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a character headless in Roblox mobile. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. So first of all, let's open the Roblox app and go to avatar. So when you reach the avatar here, just click on this customize. So since we are using a mobile app, so you can do this on web version as well. So first of all guys, uh, just go to hair and body, go to skin, and guys choose the color of your face. First of all, choose let me choose the color first. So what could be the face color here? Let me go back again. Yeah, so first of all, choose the head here. From here, since we are making our head invisible, just choose the color and choose the head from the left side. Yeah, let me select all again. Just choose the color of your face head. Let me choose the color again of the body, different. Yeah, now let me choose the color of head here, black. Now you can see. Now just go to, once you select the color of the face of the color little dark or the extra dark, you can choose more dark color. And now go to hairs and try to choose the color of the hair black as well. So you can see this is my brown charmer hair, so it is bit very dark, and if you have black colored hair, it will more help you to make your face or head invisible. So you can choose the black hair if you can find. Now you can see this is also cool. So you can get any free hair from the list. Let me choose this and choose it and get it, and let me go back. And when you walk, or when you just use this character in the game, you will feel like you are headless. But if you want to make your character actually headless, you can do by going into your PC. Since my PC is not working right now, so I'm not being able to demonstrate that. So what you need to do, you have to go to the Roblox player uh, folder, and just go to avatar and move the head folder from the file location to the desktop. So when you remove the head folder from the avatar folder and move it to desktop folder, so the when the game runs, it won't be able to recognize the head folder, which is we have already moved to the desktop. So it will help you to go headless on mobile or on the characters. So if you run the game and try to see, so your character's head will be go headless. So you can do this, but if you want to move, if you want to go headless, then this is the trick guys you can do. So you just need to move the head folder from the avatar folder of the installation file. So that's how you can do it. But if you want to do this trick, you can do also that. You can make both hair and the face color of the face black, and which will make it invisible. So yeah, that's how you can do it, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.